Let's learn baby shapes.
Baby shapes, do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Baby shapes, do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Baby shapes, do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Let's all learn. Square has sides, do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Square has corners, do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Four and equal, do-do-do-do-do-do-do. This is square. Circle round, do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Rolling round, do-do-do-do-do-do-do. No sharp edges, do-do-do-do-do-do-do. This is circle. Triangle, do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Three sharp sides, do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Pointy corners, do-do-do-do-do-do-do. This is triangle. Rectangle, do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Two long sides, do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Two short sides, do-do-do-do-do-do-do. This is rectangle. Let's all learn. Shapes are fun, do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Learn and play, do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Clap your hands, do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Shapes every day.